everyone, and welcome to Sigma Insight, the series where we dive into the innovation shaping the future of content protection and digital right management. I'm your host, and today we are shining a spotlight onto the Indian podcast and OTT landscape. Joining us today is Mr. Zesu, the CEO of Thu Đo Multimedia India. Hello, Mr. Zesu.
Hi Alice, how are you?
Yeah. So today we are unpacking the critical topic why on-premise DRMs continues to be the preferred choice for many Indian broadcaster and OTT platforms. So, Mr. Zesu, are you ready for the questions today?
Yes, you can start.
Yes, okay. Let us start with a simple regulatory context. Given that many international DRM platforms struggles to meet the Indian Schedule X requirement, what are the technical and security challenges that arise when deploying DRM solution in this market?
Okay, thank you very much, Alice. We are discussing, very good topic actually, and in India, this topic is really helpful to our, the industry expert and the viewers. Right. The notable, the concern arises the various international DRM providers, which is available in India, right? Whether it is a domestic or the international, the whose solution are often characterized as a proxy DRM kind of thing, right? These implementation may not fully align with the comprehensive, the mandate, but of Schedule 10 potentially leading to a compliance gaps. This compliance gaps, it is their own, the compliance gap, but the regulatory bodies compliance is something different. Furthermore, some India-based compliance company have adopted an approach where DRM functionality are managed through middleware solution, right? It is not via DRM solution, which is characterized by the TRAI very specifically in the guideline, right? That through middleware, it is not going to be happen, right? So if I say middleware solution rather than being instinctive features of the DRM system itself, this separation can result, right, is fragmented security measures and may not meet the holistic protection, and based for the Schedule 10, right? So another critical aspect is the implementation of forensic watermarking, right? So if you check the Schedule 10, the guideline, which is described as a unicast guideline, particularly line watermarking, which is essential for tracing contents, leak and ensuring content integrity. Integrity such as watermarking techniques, poses significant challenges, right? Especially when not inherently supported by the DRM framework. Yeah.
Yeah, well, that sounds like fragmentation is and lack of native features are big roadblocks, right? Mr. Yasu, how can a fully integrated DRM solution with built-in watermarking support and no reliance on middleware effectively overcome these limitations and can ensure compatibility with Indians' existing broadcast and content management systems?
Okay, recognizing these challenge, our solution, if I say our solution is Sigma DRM, is better designed to be a fully compliant with Schedule 10 guideline, right? Ensuring seamless integration of all mandated DRM formalities, right, and functionalities, including subscriber management, which is another part of the which comes under the compliance, encryption and fingerprinting. Moreover, our DRM system innately supports advanced forensic watermarking technique, such as the line watermarking, providing an additional layer of security to protect our content with unauthorized distribution. Because our live TV broadcaster is specifically asking this question to all DRM companies that they have to, they want their content will be secure by offering a comprehensive integrated DRM solution. We aim to address the current gaps in the market, ensuring that content provider and distributor in India, right, can confidently meet the regulatory requirement with safeguarding their digital assets rather than the leak assets, right? That's the main point which they are want to address.
Looking ahead, what trends do you see shaping the future of DRM adoption in the Indian market, especially regarding hybrid or cloud models?
See, cloud model is already run the market, right? It is for the B2 segment. It is not new when it's shaped to OTT. Effectively, the hybrid DRM, which is not explored as of now, because live TV is a moreover, is a mix of, the live TV and some part of the content on OTT. So the hybrid model is supposed to be the rapid adoption in the near future. On-premise DRM can be seen as a stream version of traditional live TV combined with OTT or VOD, the services. But the IPTV, the live TV will be the specific single alone, the content management. The approach will be different. This approach will evolve to take a more defined shape in near time. The hybrid model will primarily serve ground operators managing live content, while cloud-based DRM will cater mainly to B2C segment. So this is specifically designed this B2C segment for OTT. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so thank you, Mr. Zessu, for those deep insights into how DRMs is evolving in India. Now let us shift our gears and focus on the operational side. Many broadcasters and OTT services often ask, how fast can we become compliant and ready for market demands? Not just for regulatory angles, but for user experience, integration, and scalability perspective. That brings us to our next segment, Ask the Expert, how to get TRAI DRM's compliance within 30 days. So, Mr. Zesu, to kick things out, what is the first operational priority for broadcasters or OTT providers aiming to become DRM ready within 30 days, especially in terms of integration with existing CMS and playout infrastructures?
That's a very practical question and a very interesting question you asked. See, the practical challenge are expected to arise in the near time, particularly as DRM system. Reach the scalability phase where the content monetization become a key focus alongside strict adherence to Schedule 10 compliance. At this critical juncture, integration will become a significant and multifaceted challenge, aligning and synchronizing multiple, the disparate system, ranging from content management to subscriber authentication, while ensuring seamless regularity and technical capabilities requires careful planning and robust engineering. Failure to address these complexity will lead to operational inefficiency and compliance risk, making integration one of the most demanding aspects of large-scale DRM deployment. So this is, the broadcaster is very, very specifically said it is up to the DRM companies and the other integrated partners like SMS, they have to comply it very aggressively and seamlessly. So it will be a robust system for end user. That's it.
So, from your experience, what is the most underestimated challenge when it comes to going live with DRMs? And how can service providers anticipate and overcome it without delaying their launch plans?
See, the most critical challenge, if we see, lies in ensuring full compliance and maintaining a transparent audit trial for broadcaster and content provider. There are a lot of audit compliance companies in India. Those who are authenticate it is a proper DRM functions is going on or not. This aspect is often underestimated, but it is essentially with a smooth DRM rollout. A service provider can proactively address this by implementing rigorous compliance frameworks and real-time monitoring systems from the outset, because this is a live environment, thereby minimizing risk and avoiding delays in the launch of schedule.
Yeah. So Indian's media landscape is diverse. Sorry, from regional OTT players to national broadcasters. So how do you tailor a 30-day DRM deployment strategy that adapts to different content pipelines, viewers' expectation, and monetization models?
This your question is having three questions inside this actually, so I have to answer one by one. So you are asking 30 days trial run, or you can say the 30-day DRM deployment strategy. You are asking the viewers' expectation. You are asking monetization models. It is very difficult to provide a definitive timeline for implementation. As commonly cities 30-day period is oftenly overly optimistic. The actual deployment depends upon having the third party integration. Our Sigma solution, it's having end-to-end solution including DRM, which is a main brain of the system, and the complexity of the existing content pipeline. Tailoring a DRM rollout strategy requires flexibility to accommodate the diverse need or regional OTT players and national broadcaster as well as verifying viewer expectation and monetization model. This equally important, all these three topics which you asked me in this question.
Yeah, so a big thank you to Mr. Zhu for this amazing sharing with such practical and forward-thinking insights. So, from understanding India's preference on premise DRMs to growing role of hybrid crowd models, and now what it really takes to get a DRM compliance just within 30 days. So today's episodes covered the full spectrum of strategy and execution shaping the future of Indian's media. So at Sigma DRM, we are committed to delivering values that goes beyond expectations, not just through technologies, but through trust, transparency, and transformation. So why are more operators choosing Sigma DRMs on premise? First is 100% compliance with Indians regulations, advance on-premise securities, fast, intuitive, and operations, scalable and flexible architectures, and is trusted by all Indians operators. So Sigma DM isn't just a platform; it is your long-term strategy partners. Don't let DRM become the weak link in your content strategy. With Sigma DRMs on premise, you gain a sustainable competitive edge, one that rolls in compliance, control, and confidence. So the bottom line, Indians on premise DRM direction isn't just about resistance to change. It is a sign of maturity. It reflects a thoughtful balance between compliance, cost, customization, and long-term readiness. And as Mr. Zesu had insightfully shared, we are heading towards a hybrid future where clouds and on-premise DRM will coexist, with each serving a distinct and strategic role. Thank you again for our guest, Mrs. Zesu, for bringing such depth and clarity to this discussion. Thank you, Mr. Jesu. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much,
Yes.
Naresh.
Yeah. So
Right.
whether you are a national broadcaster or regional OTT platform, there is a great path forwards, and it starts with understanding what is right for your unique needs. Behind these technology decisions lies a business strategy, and today we unpacked what it takes to protect the strategy with the right DRM foundation. If you've got any questions, ideas, or want to dive deeper, stick around for our upcoming discussion sessions. Until then, stay secured, stay ahead.